Here we are outside of Suncrest United Methodist Church on January 25, 2015. There's everyone traveling on the road today. And it was raining out here, so actually I have no idea if it was raining, snowing, or possibly even, okay, I know it wasn't sleeting today, but I just wanted to get a quick video. This is the day. This is Sunday, January 25th, the day after the big snowstorm that we had. Here's a little bit of snow. There's a little bit of snow right there, and some right there. And we're gonna go further out the sidewalk, and there's everyone driving. There's everybody on that side road. I see there's a little bit of snow over there. This is a close view of where some snow is in the parking lot. There's not that much snow left. It's all melting. There's snow right there, and there's even some right there. And now we are going to go along here. Stupid rain. Get in my camcorder. Better not. Better not though. Okay, now we are close to the road, and we can get a good view of people driving in and out. There's the entrance to the hospitals, and I think there's possibly an eye doctor there. There's the United Bank. I don't know what that building is. I think that could be like a hotel there. Anyway, there's not any snow on any of the buildings that I can see, unless there is some on top of the building, which I can't see at all. And there's some snow right there. So that is about all my video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you later. Goodbye.
I think there's a car stranded or something.
Okay. Okay, today is January 26, 2015, and it is, the time is now 5:55 p.m.
Is there a car behind us?
No. Actually, yes, there's a car behind us.
Okay, because I need to turn the phone on because I don't know if I'm going to go out now.
Goodness.
Can you come on around me? I don't think we're going out. It looks like there's cars stranded up there. Yeah, I think I'm going to back up and go back home.
I didn't mean to be with you. I didn't know what was going on.
That's okay. I was just watching the cars here, and it looks like there's somebody that was stranded, and I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not going either. I'm going back home.
Oh, okay.
It's not worth it.
That's what I decided. We were going to Salad Works, and I
So was I.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I love that
We
place.
do too.
So do I.
Good.
We can eat there every night.
I know. You know what? It's not that expensive either.
I know.
For the salad you get and the bread, I mean.
That's all I want because the salad's real good.
Right, right.
So,
All right. Well, be careful.
Okay, no problem. Thanks.
That was a real coincidence. Good thing about the camera with me. And the guy didn't even notice it.
Scared you.
Yeah, he's backing up. Who is that behind the wheel? Oh wait, so you just want to go back home?
Cord, you saw the car stranded there. I don't want to have an accident.
Oh gosh.
That guy, I'm sure he decided not to go out either looking. There were cars that they were stranded.
Okay.
And the cars okay, we'll just have that Mexican, okay?
Okay.
Where did he come from? Was it this house? Is this where he is?
I have no idea.
Or that was something.
I know.
We were going to sell.
Here we are on the patio. Today is January 26, 2015. And what we have here is we have another snowstorm. We had one on January 24th, Saturday morning. Today is Monday, January 26th, 2015. And I mean, it's really dark out here. Looking through this viewfinder, this black and white viewfinder, it's all, you can't see any color through it. And there's Amber, our little puppy. Hi, Amber. You look like a queen. Amber, go over to your brother. Burr. So I may have to make a prediction, and my prediction is that we will not have any school tomorrow, which is January 27th, by the way. The time is 6:03 p.m., and it is snowing like frickin' crazy out here. Can you see that? Bet you can see the flakes through this light. Alright, let's go somewhere else for the video. Here goes my Amber. Hey there, little Amber. Hey, baby. This is almost as bad as the February 4th snowstorm. See how fast I zoomed out? Looks like the dogs are getting frisky again. It's really dark, and you can't see anything. The time is 6:06 p.m. right now. And Duke. Hey, Dookie. What was that little scene that we just witnessed? I hear sirens. See if you can hear them. Not so much anymore. See, I can see like it's really light out. When you look through the viewfinder, it's barely even light out. Somewhere along here, Duke took a crap. Hi, Duke. Hi, boy. Dookie, who's a good boy? Camcorder's getting all wet. I predict it won't work when we come in. Look at that house over there. It's January 26th and they still have their Christmas lights up. Wonder how crazy that is. You think it's like really crazy or what? Hey, Dookie. Yeah, it is storming, and see where Duke's going. Alright, we're running out of time. Amber's getting all covered in snow here. We will see you later. Goodbye.
This message is on behalf of Dr. Frank Delano, Superintendent of Monongalia County Schools. All schools in Monongalia County will operate on a 2-hour delay today, Tuesday, January 27th. Remember to check the transportation website for any changes to bus runs. Once again, all schools in Monongalia County are on a 2-hour delay today, Tuesday, January 27th. Thank you.
And here it is. It's all snowy outside. We got the snowstorm. The time is 9:26 a.m. Class starts at 10 o'clock, so here we are about 30 minutes before we go to school. There's the tree. And you can see there's tire tracks. I think that was made by a Ford F-150 pickup. I have no idea what it was. Anyway, we could see the next door neighbor's car parked there, or truck rather. Anyway, we got the yard all around us and it's really snowy. Now I think we're supposed to get enough snow to have the day off tomorrow. I was hoping for the day off today. And because I did not go to sleep until 6 a.m. I have sleeping disabilities. Just to let you know. And it is snowing out. What? I am! It's fine. And that's how snowy it is. I don't know if you can see it, but I certainly can. It has fallen down some more. I wonder if you can see it. I can totally see it. So, yeah, we will see you when we get in the car, we start driving. And if the roads are too slick, I don't know what we're gonna do. Other than that, we will see you when we get to school. Goodbye. Oh wait, I was gonna end the video and that. And then this van comes up. See what the van's gonna do. Oh, they're just pulling in. Okay.
It's 9:30 and the roads are going to be slick. I can't drive fast. So if you want to try to stop at McDonald's, you got to stop filming and get your clothes on.
I'm going to.
Now what about the shot? Did you take it or not?
I think I did. Here we are driving down the road. They went down. Here's the snowplow guy.
You said our doors went down, right?
Yeah,
Did the days go down there?
I think. Now we are actually behind an F-150. It's a Ford. What?
I said it is a big vehicle.
I know. Look at its license plate.
But,
they're from They're from Pittsburgh. Here's the West Virginia sign. Here we are crossing the Hilton Hotel. I forgot my phone, Mom.
Well, I'm not sure we need it. Right?
Right.
After school.
Mm-hmm.
You can use mine. The roads are just mostly wet.
Mostly wet, okay? Time is 9:54 a.m. and we are just now getting to school. We are at the school, so we will see you later. Goodbye.